So I managed to get a quick video in here with the truck while the wife is out in town and the little one is out also. So I'm not set up properly at the minute, but I don't really need to for this bit. Everything's pretty much ready to go. I'm just waiting to film everything, to finish everything off pretty much. But summer holidays. Anyway, these were some 3D printed door cards, and they'll just sit inside the Scania in there. Now, I got these in a pack of stuff when I took the truck from my dad's garage originally, so I ain't got a clue who printed these up, but I'm sure if you're handy with 3D printers and CAD drawings and things like that, then there shouldn't be a problem to make. But they are just 3D printed door cards. You got a little pocket bit down there, like to stick your crisps and your mapping or what have you. Little handles, but they just look much better inside the cab. It just gives a bit more depth in there and a little bit more detailing. You will have to excuse me, I'm bunged up with the flu again. They were plain white, so I've painted them kinda to like match the truck, grey with the interior and the blue of part of the truck. So all I'm going to do with these is clamp them to the inside of the doors, or what would be the doors of the insides, and I'm just going to clamp them up with some Yoo-hoo glue. I like this, it's alright. This is where I could do with something flexible, so that's why I'm using the Yoo-hoo glue here. So all I'm going to do is glue the back of them, just give the insides of the doors a quick scuff down just so it's got a biting point, and then we'll just clamp them on the inside with a clamp to the door. So it's really easy, and it should just give a lot more detailing within the cab area. So there's the inside of the cab, and if you look at the shape, you can see the shape's the same, and it just fits in within this line at the bottom and around here. So what I'm going to do is just literally glue that in place there. So I shall take some Yoo-hoo and just run a bit around the edges. I don't want it too thick near the edge because I don't want it to run out. But it should be more than enough. And what I'm going to do is fit that into place there, like so. Lovely jubblies. And I'm going to take this cloth, just put that at the back of there, and the clamp can then go through and hold that into place. I'm sorry if the light's a bit poor, I'm on the floor. I haven't got my table set up or anything at the minute, but you can see we'll just leave that clamped on there, and then I'll repeat the same and put the other one up here, clamp that, and then we'll have a little look-see at it. So there's one, and the other one is all clamped up and glued and set, and there is that one. So it makes a hell of a difference, and once all the full interior is fitted in there and the seats are in and the dash and everything else, it should just look much better. It's just those extra little details. I wouldn't mind a set of these for one of my trucks, so I must try and find out where the hell makes these. Like I say, this truck I'm building up for my dad, and most of the parts they've just been in boxes in his garage, which is tucking in like part X's or trading deals and stuff. So there's just stuff in there to be used, and I haven't got a clue where it's from. But no, that's pretty much it for that one. I'm just itching to get videos made, so I had an opportunity to just do a little something. It's not the best of quality video, it's not my usual quality video. The lighting's crap, I sound crap with a cold, but it's a little something. But yeah, that's all for that one. So anyone building, have fun with your builds and everything. Do feel free to subscribe, like, comment, share. Did I say subscribe? Anyway, that's all for that one, guys. Ciao for now.